You are literally losing $300 a month on groceries, and you don't even know it. But today, I'm giving you 25 zero-effort hacks to save $3,000 this year. No coupons. Hack 1. The unit price trick. Stop looking at the big number. Look at the price per ounce. Brands trick you with shrinking packages. The unit price never lies, saving you instantly. Hack 2. Stop buying pre-cut fruit. You are paying a 300% markup just for someone's knife skills. Spend 2 minutes cutting it yourself and save $150 this week alone. Hack 3. Cut your bill in half by shopping the perimeter. Only buy what's on the edges. The middle aisles are designed to trap you with overpriced, processed junk you don't actually need. Hack 4. The secret timing trick. Never pay full price for produce by shopping Wednesday mornings. This is when supermarkets do their markdowns on perfectly good meat and veggies from the weekend. Hack 5. Aldi versus Walmart. The real winner that saves Americans $500 a year? Aldi. Their store brand staples crush Walmart's prices by up to 30% every single time. Hack 6. The meal prep hack that saved me $200 this month. No more takeout. Batch cook your lunches on Sunday. You'll stop ordering $20 salads at work immediately. Hack 7. Stop throwing away expired food. Place a dry paper towel in your salad greens. Wash berries in a vinegar bath. They will easily last 2 weeks longer without getting moldy. Hack 8. Store brand versus name brand. Fun fact. Most store brands are made by name brands. They roll out of the exact same factory. You are just paying extra for the fancy logo. Hack 9. The 50-50 rule. Fill half your cart with produce, half with cheap, dry pantry staples. This forces you to eat healthier, while naturally slashing $1,000 a year off your bill. Hack 10. How to shop once and eat for 2 weeks. Limit your supermarket visits. Buy versatile base ingredients. Roast a chicken on Monday, use the leftovers for tacos on Wednesday. Hack 11. Hidden grocery fees. Stop using delivery apps that quietly mark up every single item. Always choose free curbside pickup. You avoid the store's temptation and dodge those massive delivery markups. Hack 12. Use the Flip app. It aggregates every local circular to find the cheapest groceries near you. Hack 13. Bulk buying. Buy toilet paper and rice in bulk once a year. Saves $400. Hack 14. Never waste leftovers again. Ditch cloudy plastic for clear glass containers. If you can clearly see what's in your fridge, you are 80% more likely to eat it. Hack 15. The buy one get one trap. Supermarkets inflate the base price to cover the free item. Don't fall for the psychological trick. Only buy it if it was already on your strict list. Hack 16. The grocery list hack. If it is not on the list, it does not exist. And the golden rule to stop impulse buys cold? Never, ever go to the grocery store hungry. Hack 17. Use digital loyalty programs. Scanning my phone at the register literally saved me $250 this year. Hack 18. Stop overbuying snacks. Impose a one-snack rule per week to instantly save $100 monthly. Hack 19. The best time to shop. Either 8 a.m. when they open, or 8 p.m. at night. Avoid Sunday afternoons at all costs. The crowd stress causes decision fatigue, making you buy more expensive crap. Hack 20. Frozen versus fresh. Frozen veggies actually save you hundreds and stay good for months. Plus, They are flash frozen at peak ripeness, meaning they often have more nutrients than that sad fresh produce. Hack 21. The pantry staple hack. Ditch canned beans and buy them dry in bags. This one switch cut my staple grocery bill by 40%, yielding twice the volume of food. Hack 22. How to build a $50 weekly budget. Master the Holy Trinity: eggs, rice, and beans. These are the cheapest, most effective complete proteins on earth. Build your meals around them. Hack 23. Stop paying for water. The bottled water industry is a massive scam designed to drain wallets. Get a simple filter pitcher. You'll save hundreds of dollars and stop throwing away useless plastic. Hack 24. Use rebate apps that actually pay real money, not worthless points. Scan your receipt, get cash. Apps like Ibotta or Fetch let you transfer real cash straight to your bank account every month. Hack 25. The Eat from Pantry Challenge. Once a month, spend absolutely $0 on groceries. Force yourself to get creative and eat everything hiding in the back of your cupboards for 7 days. Stack these 25 hacks together, and you will easily keep $3,000 in your pocket this year. Which hack are you trying first? Comment below and hit subscribe for more money-saving secrets. See you